Good day mga kamatics! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about division integers. So, sa hindi pa nakakaalam, ang division ay may dalawang side or may dalawang format, which is the fraction and the division symbol. Ang fraction ay nakaganito siya. Yun siyang parang ganito. And the division symbol is ganyan lang. Ganyan naman talaga yung division symbol. Alam naman natin yan lahat. Ang ganito, naka-fraction bar siya. So, next. Multiplication and division of integers. So, sinabi ko na yung multiplication dahil same lang naman siya. Kung nakita yung last video ko, ganito lang naman yun. So, same signs is equal to positive. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Negative times negative. Negative divided by negative is positive. Okay. Different signs is equal to negative. Different signs. Positive divided by negative. Negative different signs naman. Next. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Okay. Makukuha nyo na yan. So, example. 25 divided by negative 5. Iba yung sign nila. So, ang the equal of this given is negative, which is negative 5. Negative 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6 dahil same sign sila. Next. 16 divided by 2, same sign. So, positive 8. Kuha niyo ba? Next. Negative 20 divided by 4. Iba yung sign nila. So, negative 5. 20 divided by 4, 5. Then, iba-iba yung different signs nila. So, iba-iba yung signs nila. So, negative 5. Next. Negative 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5, 6. Iba-iba yung sign nila. So, negative 6. Negative 90 divided by negative 15. Ilan yun? 6. So, same sign sila. So, according to definition, magiging positive siya. Kuha niyo ba? Next. 120 divided by negative 10. 120 divided by 10 is equal to 12. So, iba-iba yung sign nila. So, negative 12. Kuha niyo na ba? Next. Last number. Negative 3. Dito, nakabar na siya. Nasa loob. So, dito, negative 3 times 4. Yun siya, ganito. Bar. Then, divided by negative 6. So, multiply. So, sa pagkuha nito, kailangan muna natin siyang i-times yung nasa bar. Yung nasa loob. Which is negative 3 times 4. So, negative 3 times 4 is equal to negative 12. Iba-iba naman yung sign nila. Diba? Same rule lang naman yung division and multiplication integers. So, negative 12 divided by negative 6 is equal to 2. Same sign sila. So, positive 2. Kuha nyo ba? Okay. Wala na bang tanong, questions, and clarifications? Kung nakuha nyo na, yun lamang yung video sa araw na ito. Kung gusto nyo pang mayroon pang matutunan, please like and subscribe.